Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus H2 headphones, and I've been checking these headphones out. I've got the Baseus HD05s, I got the Baseus H1Is, and I got the Baseus H1s. And so all of these headphones offer really unique features, but really good audio experience when it comes to listening to music. And so they have all these features packed inside of them. All of them have different features from the next, but these ones are actually the most improved version of the Baseus headphones, and these are going to offer some features that can actually make your life a whole lot more easier when it comes to listening to music and enjoying the music. And so we're going to be taking a look at these headphones and unboxing them, so make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut open the box right here to the Baseus H2s, and I've been looking forward to checking these out for a long time because Baseus has been on point with their releases when it's come to their headphones. And so it's wrapped in a bubble wrap box, and so let's go ahead and cut it open, and I'm gonna show you exactly all the features we're gonna get into, and we're gonna be doing a microphone test at the end of the video. Make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video, and I'll you know what I mean, I'll be with you the whole way through. And so right here you can see that these headphones do offer right here it says on the box the noise canceling right here. I don't know if you can see that, but they do have the Bowie H1 headphones feature. On the side of the box it's gonna say some of the specs on here. So right here it's gonna say that it has that hybrid ANC, advanced Bluetooth 5.2, and immersive spatial acoustics. So it's gonna give you all three of those features. And this is the box itself right here. So jumping into the unboxing, if you read the English one, it's gonna say Baseus H2's version Bluetooth 5.2, 33 hours of experience playtime with the at 70%. When you have them with the noise cancellation on, it's gonna be 27 hours with 70% volume, and then you get the Type-C charging as well. And so this is going to be a pretty solid experience because these are their latest earphones, and they're going to give you the dual channel low latency, the 4 mics for ENC as well, and they're also going to include 40mm driver. So let's go ahead. I'm going to cut open the box and take a look at it. So let's just see what these are about right now. And so I'm just gonna cut open right here on the side. All right, so one of the things that I also saw is that these do have the audio tech pack, which is basically their dual channel audio, their spatial audio, and their ANC all together. And that's going to be pretty solid. So let's get this out of the packaging. I'm going to just slide this right out. Let me see. Wow, that looks really nice. The color of these is really impressive. So that's what you're getting when you first open the box. I'm gonna put the top off to the side right over here. And now let's go ahead and take a look at this experience. So this is taped in. You get your stickers right here for Baseus user, it says. You also do get your user manual, which will include your instructions for the headphones. And you get a warranty card as well. Putting all that off to the side, you're going to be greeted with your Type-C to Type-A short cable as well. And then you actually have the headphones here, which almost look exactly like, Apple headphones based off of the quality. And so let's go ahead and get these guys started. The cushions on here feel really good. Let's show you guys some of the build quality. So there's this thing right here which looks really cool. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks really cool. And you can see right there, you get your button right here, I think for A and C, noise canceling. You get your power button on the other ear cup with the Type C. You get a microphone here. You get this really nice, these don't fold, but you will get the option to adjust them right here as far as the overall comfort. Then you get the memory cushions, and these do like a 90-degree swivel. And so the quality feels really good. It has Baseus at the top of the headphones, and this all feels really premium. They just feel really solid when it comes to the overall feel in the hand and everything like that. So let's peel off this sticker. And I'm gonna put this box over here now that I've shown you everything that comes with these headphones, and just taking a look at the overall build quality. These cushions actually feel really, really good. The materials that they use for the cups look really good. Now, they don't offer, like, I'm not sure if they offer these replaceable ear cups or whatever, but the quality on here feels really premium when it comes to the overall build. So like I said, you got your power button here, your Type C, your A and C feature right there. Let's go ahead and pair them along with the app. All right guys, so I've been looking at these for about 2 minutes right now, and so basically this is actually a wheel that controls the volume. So you have this little toggle that you can use to control your volume, and on this side right here, if you triple tap this, you can actually get into your spatial audio, and if you press it, you can actually get into your ANC feature. So you don't have any ports for like a 3.5mm headphone jack, so these are going to be basically wireless headphones. Let's go ahead, hit this button to power them on, and I see a little light blinking, an LED light blinking, which is indicating that they're trying to pair up to the device. So we're going to start out with opening up the Baseus app, and it'll show the devices that are actually paired. And I was using my D05s on here, and you can see that light will blink as long as they're pairing. So you can simply search for devices, and it'll start searching for the Baseus H2s right now. So we're going to get that started, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a microphone test once I get these guys locked in here. And so let's go into the Bluetooth first and pair them. Unpair this. All right, cool. So this says Baseus H2s down here at the bottom. So it says pairing right now, and it's actually completed. So that was a really straightforward process. Now let's go back into the app, the Baseus app, and it says we can search for them now, and here they are. They pop up immediately after you pair them to your Bluetooth smartphone, the Bluetooth on your smartphone, and then you can see right here the option to actually hear them. So this is the app right here, Spatial Acoustics. So you get the gaming mode, the music mode, and the normal mode when it comes to the spatial audio acoustics. Okay, and then you also get your features right here for transparency mode is actually on here, so that was really good to see. So you get transparency mode, you get the noise cancellation, and you get the normal mode for ambient sounds, and then you get your gestures, so you could switch the buttons up right there, and you get after that, scroll down, you could see a wearing detection. So if you take them off of your head, it's going to automatically pause the music, and then you get low latency for gaming. You can also sign into the app and it'll find the earphones for you, but actually I'm pretty cautious when I'm actually putting stuff where it needs to be. So let me put these on my head and kind of test out some of the audio quality, and then we'll get into the microphone test. These feel really good overall, very comfortable. So you can see how they fit. They fit directly over the ear, but you can always extend them lower, which is going to be pretty cool. And I just toggle the volume switch, so you can see right here that wheel that I was talking about raises the volume when you scroll it. That's really cool that it has that feature. It's very functional. And so if I go into spatial acoustics, for example, and I do a double tap, 1, 2, It went to music mode. 1, 2. Now it's on the gaming mode. So 2 taps to get to your spatial options. Your ambient modes right here. So 1 tap will get to your transparency mode. So now I'm actually able to hear my voice much more clearly. Like I could hear right through the earphones. I really like ambient mode because it allows you to hear your environment as well as hearing your own voice when you're talking. So that's actually really clutch that it has that. So 1 more tap will get you your noise cancellation mode. And now I could barely hear my surroundings. The fan noise is kind of shut down around me because I had my air purifier on, and I could barely hear that now. And then these have all sorts of modes on them. So we're going to be testing out all these modes. First, let me fire up Spotify and show you what I'm talking about. Then we'll jump into the microphone test in a minute, but let's listen to some music real quick. Let's listen to these. Okay, so let's see what mode I'm on right now when it comes to this. I'm on the gaming mode, so what I'm gonna do is do a single tap to get to my normal listening mode. Double tap to listen to the normal spatial. Wow, that sounds extremely clear. Here's the wheel for my audio. Yo, yo, yo. Wow, so that wheel is awesome for adjusting the volume. Let's take these off. And the music stops automatically. That's crazy. And now it's playing again when you put them back on. So that's a really cool feature that they added that some of the other headphones, like the D05s, didn't have that. Neither did the H1s, and neither did the H1Is. So they're really improving when it comes to the overall build quality on these ones. They're also improving it when it comes to the listen experience and the features, because you're going to get that 3D audio. Let's do noise reduction. That sounds really good. I could barely hear my voice right now. And this says shield low frequency noise during travel. And you can control the depth. So it has depth right here. Mild. And then it has... So you can actually control how deep you want the noise reduction to be. And so I'm barely able to hear my voice right now. So mild and depth. So that's awesome that these have the control over the ANC as well. So if I'm listening to music and I double tap the power button, it's going to switch to the next track. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So that goes to the next track. Triple tap goes backwards. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's crazy. Okay guys, so right now I have each of these paired to both of my smartphones with that multi-point connection, and I was listening to music on these and they sound really good. Now the bass actually vibrates through the headphones, which is really good. All the features seem to work very well, and these are definitely a step up from the H1s because they're going to give you spatial audio, but they're also going to give you that volume toggle. They also give you the transparency mode and the ANC mode, and it sounds really good with the ANC mode because it seems like the bass thumps a little bit louder and you're able to hear less of the outside environment. So that's my favorite feature when it comes to listening to the bass, because the bass is going to come out and it's going to show itself. So you can use these with multi-point connection. All you would have to do is pair it to one device, which is device A and device B. Then you would disconnect, and then you would open up the second, and then you would pair this one hit connect on both and it's going to be ready to go. But let's just jump into a sound sample with these microphones, okay? Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm actually talking through the microphones on the Baseus H2. So let me know what it sounds like when there's no outside interference while I'm talking in an indoor environment. But what I'm going to do is turn on the fan to give you a better idea of what it would sound like if there was a little bit more interference coming from the background, so that you can hear a little bit more sounds coming from the outside sources. But I'll take a step further and play some outside noise. So this is going to give you an idea what it would sound like if you were in a busy street or outdoors inside of like a public area where it's going to be a little bit noisy. So this is how it would actually sound if we were outdoors walking around trying to talk through the headset to somebody else. But let me turn that down all the way and let me turn off the fan noise. And this is what it would sound like with no interference. So let me know what you guys think about the microphones on the Baseus H2s, okay? Alright guys, so I've been listening to music with these for about the last hour, and these sound really, really good. The only thing that they're missing from these guys is that if you go into the app, you don't have the EQ modes, but I would recommend that you download this app called Power Amp Equalizer. It's actually a really solid application that allows you to customize all your sound settings and your profiles. And right here, it's going to give you an enormous amount of features that you can preset these with. So even though they're missing the equalizer, which all three of the Baseus H1's eyes, the Baseus H1's, and the D05s had it, but these just don't have the equalizer, because one of the things that, in order to add the transparency and the 3D mode at the same time, they had to get rid of that feature, because I noticed that all of these headphones have one or the other. They can't have all of the features. So the only thing that these are missing is the EQ, which I don't really miss at all. But I just find these to be really good when it comes to the overall bass quality. They eliminate sounds very well. They're also extremely durable. They feel real sturdy in the hand. And so I'm really going to be enjoying these ones. I want to compare them to the H1Is. I also want to compare them to the H1s and the D05. So let me know what you guys think about the H2s, and I'm going to check you guys later, but I definitely think that these are going to be worth it for the price. I'm going to make sure I leave the cheapest link down below so you can check them out for yourself. But I'm going to check you guys later. I'm going to get back with you on the next video, but make sure you type I'm still here so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. Okay? Later, crew. Peace.